I'm now joined by the founder of Tipramotha, Mr. Pradyut Dev Burman. Mr. Pradyut Dev Burman, you are in Delhi. You met Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Saturday. This meeting comes in the wake of speculations that, a solution to the Tipramotha demands are on the cards.
I've met him on Saturday, and we've discussed on the constitutional rights and our core demand uh, of the indigenous people of Tripura, and we had a meeting on that. This is in continuance to our talks with A.K. Mishra, who was also handling our talks earlier, and we had an official meeting. So, in continuance with that, the Home Minister has met me and assured me that a solution for the indigenous people should be met in a near future. That's what he's assured.
Right. Now the Tipramotha, in the earlier formal round of talks have made it very clear that they want a separate state to be carved out of Tripura for the Tiprasa people. Are you still firm on this particular demand?
We are firm on our demand because we believe that only a separate state would be a solution. That is our thinking, that a separate state would be a logical thinking for the survival and existence of the indigenous people. If the government of India has a better idea, they can present that to us. We will go and discuss it democratically, not only within our party, but amongst our Samajpatis, amongst various organizations, and then come out with the best solution for the future and for the survival and existence of the indigenous people of Tripura.
Right. Another thing that everyone wants to know is that, okay, is there any political party that the Tipramotha is going to support in the upcoming by-elections for the two assembly constituencies in Tripura?
See, when the Home Minister calls me for a meeting, I can't say no. So that's why I went and met him. But it is very clear that Tipramotha is not going to extend its support to any political party in the by-election. We are going to remain neutral. Neither of the parties have actually come out openly and supported our demand. So till the time any party does not openly support our demand, we cannot openly go out and extend support to them.
That means finally, Mr. Pradyut Dev Burman, what are you
I'm
going to?
asking my Tiprasa people
Yeah.
to use their conscience, and I'm asking my Tiprasa indigenous people to think about the future and then exercise their franchise. There are many options in elections. These by-elections, you
Right.
can either vote for any party that they think is right for them, and there's also an option of nota. So or you can sit at home. But the fact is that Tipramotha will not endorse any political party
Right.
which will not support our demand.
Mr. Pradyut Dev Burman.